Hi everyone. Are your Snapchat stories not uploading and leave you frustrated? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and effective ways to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Step 2. Restart Snapchat app. Close Snapchat completely and remove it from recent apps. Then open it again. This often fixes temporary glitches causing stories not to upload. Step 3. Restart your phone to refresh system and network services. This can fix many uploading issues. Step 4. Clear Snapchat cache. If you are on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage and Cache, Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data as it will lock you out. Step 5. Check Snapchat server status. Sometimes Snapchat server are down. You can check online if there's server issue. If so, you need to wait until it fixes. Step 6. Check storage and app permission. Make sure Snapchat has permission to access storage and media. Also check that your phone has enough storage space for uploading storage. Step 7. Update Snapchat app. Open the Play Store or App Store and update Snapchat. An outdated app can cause storage to fail uploading. Step 8. Turn off VPN or battery server. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. Also disable battery saver mode as it can restrict background uploads. Last option, reinstall Snapchat. If nothing worked, uninstall Snapchat and reinstall it from the official store. Log in again and try uploading your story. Important tips: avoid using third party app. Make sure your account is not temporarily restricted. Keep your phone system and app updated for best performance. And that's it. These steps should fix Snapchat stories not uploading. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Snapchat teach fixes.